necessarily the lesser guts can come in any size. Lady luck and favor, just a little shaver over one who's 6'3". Brains in any tussle, mops the floor with muscle. Bet your life I'm glad I'm me. Smallish Yankee Doodle, if he's in the moodle, beat the whole caboodle, using just his noodle. Bet your